One of Silet's greatest landmarks in its modern era is the building of this bridge, the Keene Bridge. This old bridge, also known as the Furan Pul, connects both banks of the Surma River. In this short film, I will highlight the history of the bridge, the man behind it, and the men who use it today. Keene Bridge was opened in 1936 and was built during British rule. It was named after the governor of the region, Sir Michael Keene, who was born in Ireland and along with his wife, Lady Keene, had deep admiration for the people of Sylhet. The bridge became a lifeline for the development of the city as it connected this corner of Bengal to the rest of the world for over 80 years. During the Bangladeshi Liberation War, the Keene Bridge was partly destroyed by the Pakistani army, but it was shortly rebuilt afterwards. And now today, only light traffic is allowed to use it in order to cross over. Heavy goods vehicles use the two bridges further down the river, and they include the newly built Kazi Bazar Bridge, which is made of concrete and steel, and the Shah Paran Bridge, named after the nephew of the great Sufi warrior Shah Jalal. But it's the Keene Bridge which is the most liveliest in Sylhet city, and I've come back here to see the bridge in action. One of the hardest jobs on this bridge is to push rickshaws up the hill, just like this guy here. He's pushing this all the way up. It's a broken rickshaw. I'm going to help him out. It's hard work, but it's got to be done. See, we're overtaking this rickshaw as it is. Check out this one. Look, three-man job for this. It must be bloody heavy. Right, more manpower now. Hey, deputy kita. Ah, the bathroom. Saul, there's bags of rice here, and it's hard work. Amdara kota diba? Baba kota diba amdara? Right, I'm getting out of breath. That's definitely hard work. And to do that every day, every minute, got to give it credit to these guys who work on this bridge. For some, working on the bridge is more important than their education, as I soon found out when I spotted this child pushing a rickshaw up the bridge. Bhai, তোমার নাম কি তা? হাসান। হাসান। হাসান, তুমি খাসা যেন হরাই, তোমার কিলা মনে লাগে? কষ্ট লাগে। কষ্ট লাগেনি। তোমার বয়স কত? 14. Hassan's 14 years old and he does this job every day. তুমি কত বেতন পাও হরিয়া?
300 350.
He only makes about barely £3 a day. হাসান ভাই, তোমার উঠে একটা দিরমু, তুমি তো ফিনলে নানি, রাইট হাল তোমার দেখা যাইব, বুঝছো নি? তুমি তোমার হাতে লাগাও, ফাও তো ফিনতে পারবে, হাতে ফিনতে পারবে, ফাও ফিনতে পারবে। So when Hassan wears these bands, these fluorescent bands from Sylhet Aid, he'll be able to see better at night. Giving child workers like Hassan snap bands does not replace the need for their education, but at least they will be safer whilst they push. Every time I come to Sylhet, I really enjoy walking over this bridge. I mean, there's so much history to it, there's folklore and there's jokes to be had too. And probably without the bridge,
I may not be able to have a nice cup of tea, brewed in England, but grown and exported from here.
ওরে ধনী গরিব সবাই সমান দয়াল ছন্দের বাগান ওরে ধনী গরিব সবাই সমান দয়াল ছন্দের বাগান টাকা থাকলেও চাইতে পারবো না তকদিরে যদি না টানে আমার দয়াল ছন্দে করবা নাইলো সারা